In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept appointments in Hostinger Website Builder. If you want your website visitors to be able to book time with you directly through your site, Hostinger makes that process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to turn on so you can start accepting appointments and customize your availability to match your schedule. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to locate the website you want to work on. This is important if you manage more than one site, since you'll want to make changes only to the specific website where you plan to offer bookings. After that, click on Website for the site you want to edit. This will take you into the management area where you can control different parts of your website and store settings. From here, look for the option to manage the store on that specific website and click Manage Store. Even if your main goal is appointments, rather than selling physical products, this is where Hostinger places the tools related to booking and service-based features. Once you're in the store management section, find the option that says Enable Appointments and click it. Turning this on activates the appointment functionality for your website, which allows visitors to request or book time based on the settings you choose. This is the key step that makes the feature available. So if appointments are not working yet, this is the first place you'll want to check. After enabling appointments, click Edit Availability. This is where you can customize everything related to when you are available for bookings. Go through the settings carefully and adjust them to reflect your actual working hours or the times you want clients to be able to book. It's a good idea to review these details closely because your availability settings directly control what your visitors will see when they try to schedule with you. As you customize everything, make sure your available times are clear, realistic, and easy for customers to understand. Keeping your schedule accurate helps avoid confusion and makes the booking experience much smoother for everyone. Once your availability is set the way you want, your appointment feature is essentially ready to be active on your website. And that's it. By opening your Hostinger account, selecting your website, going into Manage Store, enabling appointments, and editing your availability, you can quickly set up online appointment booking in Hostinger Website Builder.